What is going on, everybody? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is the Antutu benchmark comparison between the iPhone 11 Pro against the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So we have the A13 Bionic versus the Kirin 980, 4GB of RAM versus 6, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the iPhone 11 Pro finished first, and overall it scored a lot higher, over 150,000 points, and then the Mate 20 Pro finished just after 1 minute. As for the breakdown of the categories, the iPhone 11 Pro scored higher for the CPU, way higher on the GPU, and then scored higher on the UX, and then the Mate 20 Pro scored higher for the memory. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram And like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.